guys, it's Ilene here. Welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. Today I have some happy mail that I want to share with you guys. But before I get started, I just want to ask you to please like this video, subscribe to my channel, and don't forget, hit that bell icon so you get notified every time I upload to YouTube. So I got two packages here, guys, that I want to share with you, and I'm going to link the channels down below in the description box. So this first package is from Charis, and we did a pocket letter exchange, and it was to be summer, August type of theme, and I have had it and I haven't had a chance to film it, so today's the day. I have only cut the package open. I haven't even looked inside, so I can't wait to see it. She did do a VR, but I did pass on it because I love surprises. So let's get into it. So yeah, we did this pocket letter exchange, and I'm gonna be opening that first. I could see she added a bunch of other goodies, but we're gonna get straight into the pocket letter. Actually, she does have a card in here, so I'm gonna look at that real quick. And it's just kind of thanking me for being a good friend and supporting her channel and vice versa. And that's really sweet, and it has a really cute image of a bicycle and all these flowers. And she used this really cute flamingo paper and owl washi to package up her pocket letter. This is the pocket letter, and it is so super summery and really, really cute. Just how we were supposed to make it, summer themed, and I love how these pockets look, guys. The first pockets here, the first three, they spell out tropical fun, and it looks really adorable. She's got the butterfly, the icicle, the pineapple, the little like ducky float, the flamingo. Very, very cute. On the second row, it's just all decorated with all these really great stickers, surfboards, sand castles, drinks, watermelon. Really, really cute, guys. She also decorated on the outside. You can see here with the flower and the butterfly stickers. And when we look at the third row, again, adorable stickers, super summer fun, beach hats, chairs, umbrellas, and flip-flops. And being that beach is my favorite place to be. I really am appreciating this pocket letter. When you flip it on over, it has some corresponding paper with these pineapples, and then it has the stripes. That's how it is for the first two rows. And then on the bottom, guys, it's more white, and she included all these really cute goodies. Different paper clips and ribbon, some extra stickers. Very, very sweet. And you guys, I also wanted to show you how cute. It keeps falling out. The little kitty cat here, it's a little paper clip. Cute, cute for planners or traveler's notebooks. And I also did win. She had a small hidden giveaway, and I got to pick the stickers I wanted. So you know me, I love cats. So I picked these little cats, and they're Christmas themed. And you get, how many here? 20 pieces. And I thought they were adorable. So they gave me this little bag, and it has some washi in it. They have cute little owls. A cute little pineapple. I think it feels like an eraser. The bag had some really cute mix of sequins going on, and also a little snow globe type of thing of more really pretty sequins with stars and hearts. Very, very pretty. She also gave me a little bag here, and in the bag, what do we got? We got this pretty little metal shaped flower, and I guess it could be like a big giant paper clip. This one's like a tulip, and then this one's another shape in a flower. And then she also included these stickers here. These are so cute. Perfect for the fall. And then these other stickers here with just some sentiments. And each sheet is different. So thank you so much. This is so generous. And she even has one more package, guys. It has that cute owl washi. I am trying to preserve the owl washi because I think if I use some double-sided tape, I could still use it for one of my own projects. And here we have, let's see. Oh, she made a folder, guys. Look at this folder that she created. Really, really cool. And she wrote, "Bye, Charis, smile is the new color," and that's her YouTube and her Instagram, guys. So go check it on out. And like I said, summer 2019, that was the theme of what we did here. So she gifted me all these stickers, guys. I can't believe it. Ice cream cones. And over here, a little clip. Some sentiments. She gave me some blanks here that I could fill in with the labels she also provided me with to create, you know, labels on my bins or folders, whatever I would want. This tag here, the best day ever. She put this dog on a toothpick. And then she also gave me a little arrow that says "Be Fearless." You can use that easily on a nice memory desk, along with these really cute owls. All these different color owls, and then these puffier owls. And last, she included these bigger pieces that you could use for making different paper projects. So adorable. And don't let me forget to show you on the pocket here, the perfect day. Thank you so much. I really appreciate your package. Everything is super lovely. So this package, guys, is from Pilar. She is Red December 02, and it will be linked down below, of course, like I mentioned before. And she did a giveaway where she wanted you to guess the amount of piercings she had. And I guessed it correct. You guys can go by and see that video if you want to figure it on out and get to know her better. And she kind of felt bad that I didn't win, so she decided to give me a mystery package. So I can't wait to open this. Let's go, guys. This is her card, guys, and I gotta tell you, this is like a spitting image of her. This is exactly what she looks like. You guys probably know her channel. If you don't, go on by. This is a great character of what Pilar looks like. It really represents her super well, and her dog, Black Beauty. And this is her card, and it's very, very sweet. And inside, she gave me, of course, some cat stickers. This cute little cat here. I can't believe all these little cats. How cute is this one? And it's purple, my favorite color. I don't know if it has a name. Let's see here. Yup, this is called Lucky. Let's go back. Does this one have a name? This is Caddy. We got this cutie here. This little pink cat. And then we got the little pink pom-pom cat for a keychain. And this is really cute. And I want to thank you so much for sending me out this giveaway package. Alright guys, that is it for today. Those were the packages that I wanted to share with you guys. Please guys, check their channels out. They will be linked down below in the description box. And as always, don't forget, like this video, subscribe to my channel, and hit that bell icon so you get notified every time I upload to YouTube. I'll see you soon. Bye!